Hi, my name is Steve. I've been coming into this store since about 1958, not with an adult with me. At that time, buying nuts, bolts, and miscellaneous tools. It's a store that if you can't find it anywhere else, you're going to find it here. And there are people here that are knowledgeable, unlike the big box stores. I'm here today to get 4 nuts and bolts that you can't really find just anywhere, and you can't find just, actually I only needed 4 and I bought 5 because I knew I was going to lose one. In any case, this has been a really great thing to have in our community.